Today I'm going to be doing a, what should I call it? I'm going to recreate my celebrity lookalike. I took a test online. I had to take a picture, or like I went through my pictures. I took the celebrity lookalike test like 5 times, and I got Tupac. And then, like, I got Yara Shanidi. I hope I'm saying that right. I thought that I cannot do Tupac. I'm not that good of an artist. How do I even look like him? I don't see, like, how I look like him. But anyway, Yara, I feel like, was my best match. So, I researched some pictures that I could, like, easily imitate or, like, recreate. You want to see how I transform myself into Yara, then just keep watching. Okay, so the picture that I'm going to try to recreate is this picture. Okay, I have it over here on the laptop because I'm recording on my phone. So we have a red lip going on. We have either glossy, or maybe her eyes are naturally glossy. That's how my eyes are. And she has like glitter a little bit above the crease. And then she has the natural brows going on. A plain face, I would say. You can't really see like a lot of highlight, a lot of blush, a lot of contour. But then again, her face is kind of like that. I don't really know, but we're going to start with the makeup. First, we're going to pin this hair up. And hopefully I don't look too crazy. I'm going to be taking this MAC 505 SE brush. Had hair in it. Like, oh, did I just bend it? Oh, I just bent it. Anyway, okay, so we're just going to brush the eyebrows up. And hers look natural, so I'm not going to do my regular eyebrow routine. I actually uploaded and then I deleted it because the editing sucked. So I took it down. But if you want another one, then just let me know in the comments down below. Hers don't look like freshly plucked, so I'm not gonna pluck mine. The first thing I'm gonna use is my NYX, hands are slippery, which one would, okay, my NYX pencil in brunette. I should have got it in like a darker shade, but I just got in this one. And I'm not gonna fill my whole eyebrows in with this. I'm just going to like line them. Like you can see, it's not my color. I'm just gonna get that line. Just gonna line it for now. Same thing over here. Now that they're lined, what I'm gonna actually fill them in with is this mini brow pencil by Tracy Quay. I don't know. I don't even know what language. And this is an espresso, so this probably is their darkest shade other than black. Now I'm just gonna fill it in. Gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna like try to do strokes with this. This is not my shade at all, but I'm gonna take this mascara. It's the telescopic mascara, and it's the brown shade. And I'm just gonna use this to tame the eyebrows. And hopefully it'll like bring the right color in. I'm still going to conceal my brows, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 40 Caramel. I feel like I'm not even close enough, but I'm just going to clean the brows up. I feel like I'm concentrating so hard right now. I think I'm gonna keep doing natural brows. I'm kind of like liking it. So what I'm gonna do is go wet this beauty sponge and blend it some more. So I've been watching a lot of like Vogue recreations on YouTube, and like I just watched the Manny MUA one, and I love him, and he's so funny. And then the Rihanna one popped up from Raven, I forgot her last name. I was just like, oh girl, you killed it. She did so good on the Rihanna recreation of the Vogue like makeup tutorial, and I was like, girl, you got skills. I'm going to start with the eyes because I always start with the eyes. From what I can tell from the picture, it looks like her eyes are glossy, and I don't know if they're naturally glossy like mine or she added gloss. I'm going to add some clear lip gloss, This is the same clear lip gloss I used in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I think it's pretty funny. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder Set and Smooth in 355 Coconut. I'm just going to put that all over my eye. I don't even know if this is the correct way to put gloss. Like, why would you put gloss into powder? But that's what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to try to, like, set my whole eye to make it one color. Now I'm going to take that gloss, and I think I'm just going to apply it with my finger. And, I'm just going to put that much on for now. And just start low and bring it up. I think that's what I'm going to do. Whoa. Oh my goodness. I feel like this is too much. This feels like I have glue on my eye. Now I'm going to start with the glitter, and honestly her glitter looks like it has a hint of green in it, not like literal green. I have this one, which is highlight number 03 from MIC or MIC Beauty Cosmetics. I think I'm just going to use this brush. Tap, tap, tap. Look at that wrist. Okay, I'm going to clean this up. Then I'm going to pat it just to blend it a little bit more. Now I'm adding a little bit more shimmer. We're just going to go with this and then add more glitter. Gloss! I'm so frustrated. Okay, so I can barely tell I have the glitter on. I think that she has like a little bit of eyeliner on. It looks a little smudged out at the end, and we're just gonna really close to the lash line though. And to smudge that out like towards the end, I'm just gonna use this smudging brush. This is just gonna have to do for now. I'm going to go and do the other eye off camera because this is basically it for the eye. I'll be back. So I am back. And I know that I said I was going to finish the eyes, or like the eyes are basically done. Well, they are basically done, but they're not done. They don't look identical and they don't look like hers, but we come to a conclusion that it's not going to look exactly like hers. Up here needs to be a little bit lighter. So from my Color Bobble palette, I'm just going to use this shade with this brush. Okay, that looks too bright. We're just going to go back over it with that pressed powder that we used earlier. Now we're going to move on to the face. Like I said earlier, it doesn't look like a lot going on. Just like, it looks really natural, but like you can tell that she does have like some form of foundation on. So I'm just going to take regular sunscreen because I feel like lotion does not do me justice. Which I put lotion on like right after I washed my face this morning. All over my face. I think this was too much. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Pore Erase Baby Skin. Put it like here. So for foundation, I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in 340 Cappuccino. Put a little bit of that over there, a little bit of that over there, up here, down there. Then I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brush. I'm gonna take that same Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And now I'm just applying it to the highlight places, and then gonna be blending it out with that same beauty sponge. I'm going to take this. It's a sample from Ipsy, and put that underneath my eye. Okay, and with the bigger brush, I'm gonna put like a little that lower, I guess. To bronze my face, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. palette. I'm gonna take this color with this unicorn brush I got from Ipsy. I'm just gonna do my regular contouring on my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. A little bit down here just because. Okay, it doesn't look like she has blush on or highlight, but I feel like I need highlight, so I'm going to pick a subtle color, and this color is pretty subtle on me, so that's what I'm gonna do, and not do too much. Not there, just because. Just to feel comfortable, I'm just gonna take the Fit Me powder and just put it in places I feel like I haven't set or that I feel like they're too light, which is my chin. And try and just go over the face with it. And to cut the bronzer, I'm just gonna. Okay. That doesn't look like I did that good of a job. I want to do lips last just because I feel like lips should be last. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on, and we're going to do that off camera because if you watch my last video, you'll see the struggle. The lashes I'm going to be using today are the Ardell Faux or Fox Mink Wispies in Demi Wispy. And these are it, and we're going to do that little thing that some YouTubers do where we're going to attempt it. Now we can move on to the lips. She's wearing a bright red lip, not too bold, but not too subtle. I feel like I need to spray my face. So let's do that. Let's spray my face. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I'm going to put this like far, and that didn't go anywhere, okay? Like, I'm not feeling it. Like, where is it? Okay, so my lips have like leftover chapstick from earlier. I have this Broadway Colors Buttery Matte Lip Cream in Happy 03. So I'm just gonna put this on, and I'm just gonna. This type of applicator though is kind of pointy, so you can on your lips. And I have to hurry up because Ellen is going on. So what's left is hair and outfit. She has some hoops on, a pink choker on, a gold necklace, and she has a blue and white sweater on, I feel like, and she has kind of bangs going on. So I'm gonna put the outfit on, and then I'll come back and do the hair. So I have the outfit on, and I'm not feeling too good about it. I just put this like sweater on, and I have the necklace, and you can't really see her, so I'll put it under. And then this is actually not a choker. It is a piece of a t-shirt. It was like a spaghetti strap type shirt, and it already was falling off. So this is a DIY choker, and I actually forgot to do mascara, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this MAC Extreme Dimension. Just blend the lashes and do the bottom ones. Okay, that doesn't like give me too much of a difference. I'm looking at the picture. I don't think oh, hair. Let's take these two bobby pins down, right? And then we gotta like fluff out the hair. She doesn't have a part. She has bangs. Not really like. I'm just doing this messily. This does not look like bangs. I'm just gonna go pin my hair up, fix my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, so I am outside and I'm glowing. Really. Hopefully you can ignore that, but this is the finished look. The bangs look better now. They're still not perfect, but oh well. I'm not perfect. She's making this face. I'm done with the look. Hopefully you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.